Previously, we talked about something here. We talked about this word public. So now I'm introducing two other specifiers, private and protected. So usually after a specifier like public, we have our object variables and object functions. Okay, so in this case, I have one variable here, one function here under public. Under protected, I have one variable, and under private, I have one variable. Public variables and functions can be accessed from anywhere in this script. Alright, so the access is in a way unlimited. Protected, it can only be accessed from this class. So this variable, random protected variable, cannot be used in the onStart area. You will get a compilation error. Same thing for private, it can only be used in this class. It can't be used here. The difference between private and protected is that, let me read this out. Any class that is built on top of this class can access this variable. So this is a bit of an advanced topic. In future, we can build classes on top of this class. So by using protected, I'm saying that this variable can be accessed by any other class that is built on top of this class. So this talks about the concept of inheritance. I'm not going to go into details about that right now. We will do this in later chapters. So for now, what I suggest is, if you are using your variables and functions in your onStart or onTick or onCalculate, then keep it as public. If you are using your variables or functions only within the class, say imagine this variable is used for this function, and this variable is not going to be called from the onStart area, then keep it as protected. Private, leave it out for the moment. Alright, so let's not complicate things. To demonstrate, when I compile it right now, no error. If I were to use the random protected variable, you'll get an error, protected member access error. Similarly, an error when you call random private variable. And also note that functions can be within the public, protected, or private area. So for example, if I were to move that function to protected, and I try to call it right now, so our object dot function sum and product 1 2 3, there's some random numbers. I assign this to a variable called hello. You see that I'll get an error when I compile it because they cannot access this function. If I put it in private, the same thing happens.